Have you ever wished for a bank account that felt less like a chore and more like, well, you? A digital space where managing your money is intuitive, seamless, and maybe even a little bit enjoyable? If that resonates, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of Neon, a digital banking platform that's been turning heads with its user-friendly approach and sleek design. In an age where our lives are increasingly online, it makes perfect sense that our financial lives follow suit. Traditional banking can sometimes feel clunky, filled with paperwork and long queues. Neon steps in as a breath of fresh air, offering a completely digital experience right at your fingertips. Imagine opening an account from the comfort of your couch, using just your smartphone. Sounds good, right? But before we get too carried away with the possibilities, let's tackle the first crucial step, creating your Neon account. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process designed with simplicity in mind. Think of it as setting up any other social media or online service, only this one comes with the power to manage your finances effectively. So, grab your smartphone, make sure you have a stable internet connection, and let's get started. The first thing you will want to do is head over to your device's App Store. That's either the Google Play Store for Android users or the App Store for those on iOS. In the search bar, type in Neon and look for the official Neon app. It usually has a distinctive and recognizable logo, so you shouldn't have trouble spotting it. Once you've found it, tap on the Install button and wait for the app to download and install on your phone. Once the installation is complete, go ahead and open the Neon app. You'll likely be greeted with a welcome screen and an option to sign up or create an account. Tap on this button to begin the registration process. Now, Neon will ask you for some basic personal information. This typically includes your full name, date of birth, email address, and phone number. Make sure to enter these details accurately, as they will be used to verify your identity and for communication purposes. You might also be asked to create a secure password for your Neon account. Choose a strong password that you haven't used elsewhere to ensure the security of your financial information. Next up is the identity verification stage. As a regulated financial institution, Neon is required to verify the identity of its users. This is usually done by asking you to upload a clear photograph of a valid government-issued identification document, such as your national ID card, passport, or driver's license. The app will guide you through the process, ensuring the photo is clear and all the necessary details are visible. You might also be asked to take a selfie to further confirm your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to complete this step successfully. After you've submitted your identification documents, Neon will review them. This process usually takes a short amount of time, and you will typically receive a notification or email once your identity has been verified. In some cases, you might be asked for additional information if there are any issues with the documents you provided. Once your identity is verified, congratulations. You're almost there. The final steps might involve setting up your profile further, such as adding your residential address and agreeing to Neon's terms and conditions. Take a moment to read through these terms to understand your rights and responsibilities as a Neon user. And just like that, you've successfully created your Neon account. You'll likely be taken to your new account dashboard, where you can explore the various features and functionalities that Neon has to offer. From viewing your balance and transaction history to making payments and setting up savings goals, you now have a powerful financial tool right in your pocket. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.